Do you want to know the best business hacks to make money? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll uncover the top 5 strategies that successful businesses use to make money. These hacks are not just about making a quick buck. They're about creating sustainable, long-term success. Starting with hack number 5, embrace innovation. In the world of business, those who innovate win. Whether it's a new product, a new marketing strategy, or a new way to improve customer service, innovation is the key to staying ahead of the competition. It's essential to foster a culture that values new ideas and is not afraid to take risks. Companies that embrace innovation are more likely to be successful and profitable in the long run. Moving on to hack number 4, leverage technology. In the 21st century, technology is at the heart of nearly every successful business. From streamlining operations to reaching new customers, technology offers endless opportunities to make money. So keep up with the latest technological trends and find ways to integrate them into your business. Next up, hack number 3, understand your customer. Knowing who your customers are and what they want is crucial. You can't sell a product or service effectively if you don't know who you're selling to. Spend time researching your target market, understand their needs, and tailor your offerings to meet those needs. This customer-centric approach will ultimately lead to increased sales and profitability. Now let's dive into hack number 2, build a strong brand. Your brand is more than just your logo or company name. It's what people think of when they hear your name. A strong brand can be a powerful tool to attract and retain customers. So invest in your brand. Make it unique, consistent, and reflective of your business values. Finally, we reach our top hack, diversify revenue streams. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky business strategy. By diversifying your revenue streams, you not only increase your chances of making money, but also protect your business from unexpected market fluctuations. This could mean offering new products or services, entering new markets, or even creating passive income streams. In summary, to make money in business, you should embrace innovation, leverage technology, understand your customers, build a strong brand, and diversify your revenue streams. These 5 hacks are not a magic wand that will instantly transform your business, but they are proven strategies that can help you achieve long-term success and profitability. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep hustling, and remember, success is a journey, not a destination.